Push out. Push out. Okay, on your side facing that way. Feature, architectural. Ear to left shoulder. Push out. Is Middlewich a nice little village?
Well, I don't know about the town, I've never been in it, but I do like walking. It's a circular walk it takes.
Straighten the leg for me. Bend the knee. I'm not too sure Andrew's back in again. She was supposed to be back on Friday, but she cancelled.
Pilates.
Yeah, we go by looking down a lot. It's tight in here.
Yeah.
Hands through that. Drop shoulders down. That's a good of it. Well done. Well done. One more time, just there. Breathe in. Over the belly. We also went to Marbury Park.
Oh.
That's close. Does this top keep you warm in the winter, this one? You doing this weekend, Chris? Not a lot.
No.
Drop arms down. Arms drop down. That's it. Well done. Not too painful then.
No,
Yeah? Push up hard. Push up hard. Breathe in, Chris. And breathe out. Sorry. Breathe in.